And I'd like to greet you guys at the top of the morning. And welcome back to another episode of Wealth Wise Guru. And I'm your host, John Shaft. And it is Friday morning, the last and final trading day of the week, May the 30th, 2025. And looks like the portfolio was up this morning about $635, and we are investing $20,572 with a buying power of 136.68. And so let's get into the morning brief. Investor segments is mixed as Nvidia strong earnings boost optimism, while tariff uncertainties create market volatility. Today, the market are experiencing frustration driven by a mix of strong corporate earnings and ongoing trade tensions. Nvidia impressively earnings report showcasing significant growth in its data center business has provided a boost to the information technology sector, which is performing well overall. However, uncertainties looms as an appeal court decisions has reinstated many of Trump's tariffs, causing concerns among investors. This legal battle adds to the volatility impacting market segments, while the information technology sector is thriving. Other sectors may be feeling the pressure from these tariff issues, leading to a cautious atmosphere in the market. And we got the up and coming events, being that we're right on top of June, which is also my birthday month. 6/1, we got our earnings report. This will provide insights into job growth and unemployment rates, which are crucial for understanding economic health and potential Federal Reserve actions. And on 6/15, you got the Federal Reserve meetings. Investors will closely watch for any signals regarding interest rate changes, which can significantly influence the market dynamics. And on 6/30, you got the earnings season begin. The up and coming earnings report will be critical for assessing corporate health and market trends, especially in light of current economic conditions. Nvidia's strong earnings boost market segments. Shares of Nvidia surge after reporting better than expected earnings on Wednesday, driven by a 73% growth in its data center business. The strong performance is a key driver for the information technology sector and overall market gains. Trump tariffs faces legal challenges. The U.S. Court of International trade block many of Trump's proposed tariffs, but the federal appeal court temporarily reinstated them. This ongoing legal battle introduced significant uncertainties in the or for the market. Information technology sectors sees robust gains. The information technology sectors experienced its best monthly performance in over a year, up around 11%, which leading stocks like Nvidia and Micron come tripling significantly. This sector strength is crucial for market momentum. And that's going to do it for your morning brief. And looks like the portfolio is up this morning for about $680.59. It was actually down and then back and forth during pre-market, and looks like she finally has kind of stabilized a little bit and starting to rally up. Okay, first up, look at these options. Looks like the option I put in the other day is in the red this morning. Expiration date on this is 12/19, so it's actually down this morning by $1.20. This is one contract with a market value of 16.65. Average cost was 18.48. And I bought it on 5/29. Actually, I rolled it from another position on 5/29, and the expiration date is 12/19. Nvidia average break-even price is 162.50, and the current Nvidia price is 136.81. This morning is negative 125, total 188. And so we're gonna be watching this and see if I need to close it out or what have you. Roll it into another position. As like I said, doing conducting option during these times, man, is really kind of tricky. Because of these Trump administration going back and forth with these tariffs, it gives the market a lot of volatility and uncertainties in the market. Let's look at the stocks and ETFs. So stocks in my ETF in my portfolio is actually up this morning about $860 with a market value of $74,496.81. And so far, it's looking pretty good. At least I'm not losing any money. I have still 207 items in my portfolio. First up is Tesla, and Tesla is actually up this morning about $3.67. It's trading at $362.22. I currently have 3.83 shares of it, with a market value of $13.88. So far this morning, I made $15 off of it. Total $53.83. Let's see. I see quite a bit of green this morning. Matter of Facebook is just turned red. It's actually trading at $645 and it's actually up now about 23 cents. I currently have 1.7 shares of it with a market value of $1,100. Boeing Airline is trading at 207.46. It's actually up by 72 cents. I have 5.0 shares of it with a market value of $1,049. It's actually negative this morning, $3.44. Total is in the positive column of 167.17. Apple is actually trading at this morning at 199.41. It's actually down about 52 cents, and it is just under $200. I currently have 7.0 shares of it with a market value of $14.02, and the return on it is still negative this morning. Google McDougal, Alphabet Class A, is actually down this morning about $1.30. It's trading at $170.54. Current position at 100 shares with a market value of $17,128.77. It's actually 28.85% of my portfolio diversity. It's negative this morning, $127. Total return is $992, which is 6.15% of my portfolio. Let's see, you got Amazon and the Google C and Alibaba and Delta. That's all in the red this morning. McDonald's is in the green this morning, trading at $3.12. It's actually up this morning by 82 cents. I don't have too many shares of it. It's 0.4 shares of it with a market value of $140. So you can't go wrong with having a company like McDonald's too in your portfolio. I mean, who don't eat at McDonald's? And so, yeah, it'd be and it's stock's not too high. It's 312 climbing up there. A couple of years ago, it was at about $1.50, and so since then it has doubled in value. So imagine if you had yourself 100 shares of that. That could be substantial. That could give you a value of over probably $10,000. Let's see. See how much that would cost. Let's see how much that would cost. 100 shares. Okay, yeah, 100 shares of McDonald's stocks. It will cost you $31,259. Yeah, so that's quite expensive there. Just the whole 100 shares of it. Let's see. You got Netflix. Netflix is actually trading at $1,193.94. My position is 0.63 shares of it with a market value of $757.12. It's actually 1.28% of my portfolio. Today's return on it $5.49. Total 116.40. Microsoft is actually down this morning. It's in the red, down by 6 cents. It's actually trading at $458.61. And my position is one share with a market value of 501.67. So it's actually 0.85% diversity of my portfolio. S&P Y is down this morning as well, about $1.20 cents. It's actually traded this morning at 588.81, and I currently have 1.7 shares of it with a market value of $1,009. It's actually in the negative is more than $2.40. Robinhood is in the green this morning. Robinhood is trading at $64.07. It's actually up this morning by 10 cents. It has 4.5 shares of it with a market value of $289.66. It is 0.49% of my portfolio with a total of 0.5425 in returns this morning. Total 141.71. Nvidia is actually down. That's IBM. Nvidia is actually down this morning by $2.70 trading at 136, which is surprising. We was hoping that the Nvidia would be into the 142 range by now, and even climbing even higher, but for some reason it's not. I have 102 shares of it with a market value of $14,034. It is 23.65% of my portfolio. This morning it's negative $260. Total in the deposit column is $939. So you still got quite a bit of red this morning, and you got some green as well. So you need to continue to buy and purchase your stock and keep loading up on your stock, even though some of them are in the red. That just means that it is on sale. Pioneer Technology is up this morning about $7.55. It's actually trading this morning at 129.91 90 cents. I currently have 183 shares of it with a market value of $23,913. Portfolio is actually is at 40.36%. Total return this morning. Look at that. That just made my day. Total return this morning 14.49. That's just 6.47% of my portfolio. Total return altogether is almost just under $4,000. And I tell you, that just made my day, man, looking at this here. Oh, wow. You just can't beat Pioneer Technologies, boy. You cannot beat this stock here. Even though the option side of it is going kind of bad on me, but the regular equity trading side of it, man, is just terrific. And it's still regularly climbing. It's up right now to $7.85. Berkshire Hathaway is in the red this morning. Berkshire Hathaway A is down by $4,500 with market value of $754,000 and 0.68. Man, this stock here, man, gonna be $1 million a share before long. And as you can see, we still got quite a bit of red this morning, so that means that the market is on sale this morning. So don't let that stop you from buying. That means you should be loading up, because you're actually getting these stocks at a reduced rate. And same thing as you would go to the store just because they have a big sale going on. For some reason or another, when you have a big sale in the stock market, people seem to shy away from it, when actually they should be running towards it and buying more. So when others are fear, you need to be strong. When others are strong, you need to be fear. When others are not buying, then you need to be buying. And when others are selling, you need to be holding on to it. Never sell your stock. Always hold on to your stock. Never sell your stock. You can take profit, but never just completely sell your stock that you have in your portfolio. As you can see, I sold off some of my SoFi. I got to build it back up. It's actually down this morning about $2, 2 cents. I actually traded this morning at 13.16. Currently have 18 shares of it with market value of only $236.79. So it's taken a while for this stock to actually catch on and go up in value, just like we were suspecting. And so I think that's going to do it for today's video. We thank you for watching and tuning in and listening to us. Hopefully you have learned something today and about how to trade in the stock market. So we're going to be watching it throughout the day and see what she does by the end of the day. And if nothing else significantly happens today, then I will probably see you guys again on Monday morning at the opening of the bell. Until then, may all your trades be a good one. Have a good and blessed day and a happy and safe weekend. And be careful when you go out about to and fro. Have a blessed day and a even better weekend. Happy trading, and we'll see you guys here again on Monday morning at the opening of the bell. This is a watch list position that I have on my watch list. It's not necessarily in my portfolio just yet. It's just something that I have been watching. And as you can see today, it made $3,575. So if I was to purchase this, hold on, this thing, you know, I can write for some reason now. So if I was to purchase this particular stock here on the watch list, it would cost me $4,390. And let's look at the break even. And this would be your profit. It would go into the unlimited. I ain't telling what that be. It could be 10,000, 15,000, or 20,000. Expiration date on this particular stock here is October the 17th, 2025. So this will be your losses. So you're only paying $4,400 for this particular stock. So this will be your losses. It wouldn't be no more than 43, right at 4,400. Anything beyond the red dot here will be insignificant. And this would be a profit. And it's going to go to the unlimited. So it could be $10,000 or either $20,000. So I don't have $4,000 this morning to invest in this. But if I was to invest in it, this is what I would need, which would be $4,341. Now I could get this out of my portfolio, but I just don't even feel like trying to do all that. So I just wanted to show you guys this particular stock that was popping up in my watch list. Again, we'll see you guys again on Monday morning. Again, we thank you for watching.